Introduction to Architecture. Of architecture. Architecture could be basically defined as the art and science of designing and constructing buildings. As a word, architecture can carry several other meanings, such as the product or result of architectural work, buildings, urban areas and landscapes, a style or method of building characteristic of a people, place or time, the profession of designing buildings and other habitable environments by architects, the conscious act of forming things resulting in a unifying or coherent structure. Origin of architecture. Architecture is one of the oldest professions in human history. It appeared with human beings' needs of shelter to protect themselves from the weather and danger outside. It first evolved as the outcome of needs like shelter, security, worship, etc., and means like the available building materials and skills. As humans' cultures progressed, building became a craft, and later the formalized version of that craft, which is practiced by educated professionals, is called architecture. Architects create the overall look of a building and other structures, but the design of a building involves far more than its appearance. Buildings also must be functional, safe, and economical, and must suit the needs of the people who use them. Architects consider all these factors when they design buildings and other structures. The real foundation of our design activity is thinking, so we take into consideration how to lead thinking processes in a conscious way. The starting point of our thinking about a certain design usually occurs when we get clear information from a client that we may start with the design process. This means that the client has already made a decision about commencing the whole, long and complete investment process in which our architectural design plays the main role. Rules required for architecture. Architects must be able to communicate their ideas visually to their clients. Artistic and drawing ability is helpful but not essential to such communication. More important are visual orientation and the ability to understand spatial relationships. Other important qualities for anyone interested in becoming an architect are creativity and ability to work independently and as part of a team. Computer skills are also required for writing specifications, for two-dimensional and three-dimensional drafting using CAD programs, and for financial management.